Welcome to this quick update on how to add your location to WhatsApp status. Super handy for sharing where you're at without typing it out. Whether you're at a cool cafe, a scenic spot, or just letting friends know your vibe, this feature makes it effortless. I'll walk you through the steps on your phone, works the same on Android or iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, fire up the WhatsApp app. You know, that green icon everyone lives in. Make sure it's updated to the latest version from your app store, because this location sticker rolled out recently and might not show if you're behind. Next, tap the Updates tab at the bottom. It's right there with your statuses, channels, and channels. Updates. Looks like a bell or speech bubble depending on your setup. Now, pick your moment. Tap the camera icon to snap a fresh photo or video, or swipe up from the bottom to grab something from your gallery. Choose what captures the scene perfectly. Once your photo or video is ready on screen, spot the sticker icon at the top. It's that little square smiley face. Give it a tap and a menu pops up. Scroll or search for location. It might be under the map pin or just labeled straight up. Select it and boom, WhatsApp pulls your current spot with a cool map preview. You can tweak the pin if needed or let it auto detect. Finally, hit send or the green arrow at the bottom. Your status goes live with the location embedded. Friends tap it to see exactly where you are on a full map. A couple quick tips. Your location shares only for that status view, and it times out after 24 hours like always. Privacy-wise, WhatsApp only uses your live GPS, so nothing sneaky. If the option doesn't appear, check your permissions in phone settings. Allow location access for WhatsApp. There you go. Your status just got way more interactive.